Hello everyone, welcome back to Agastya Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is welcome tutorial number 13 in our beginner series. In today's video, we will learn when to use column C and when to use running stitch. This is a very common doubt for beginners. So, I will explain it slowly and clearly. Now, I will select the running line tool. Running stitch is used for simple lines. We use running stitch for outlines, thin borders, simple shapes. Running stitch does not fill the shape. It only creates a single line. After drawing the line, I press enter to finish the object. So remember, running stitch is only for light and thin lines. Next, I will select the column C tool. Column C is used for satin stitch. We use column C when the shape has two sides. The shape is curved or uneven. The width is not the same everywhere, or we want a filled satin look. Now I draw a shape. After finishing the object, I press enter. Now you can see the shape is fully filled with satin stitch. If your design needs only an outline, use a running stitch. If your design needs filling and thickness, use column C. For this type of curved and filled shape, column C is the correct tool. So in this tutorial, we learned running stitch is for lines, column C is for satin filled shapes. Practice both tools slowly. Simple practice will give you confidence. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. We will continue learning Wilcom step by step in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.